Hey guys, Scott and Nutley Kia here. I know it's getting cold outside, but we're just heating up here at Nutley Kia. Got another great deal for you here. This is a 2016 Kia Forte LX. Only 35,000 miles on it. The car is very clean. It's got AM/FM satellite. It's in beautiful condition on the interior. Let me show you here. You can see the car's in great shape. Like I said, only 35,000 miles. So come on down to Nutley Kia. Ask for Scott. I'll get you out on a test drive and get you home in this beautiful 2016 Kia Forte LX.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.